Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Army Public School and College PMA Resource Network. Before we start our today's lesson, please subscribe this page and click on bell icon to receive the upcoming notification about our channel. Before going to our today's lesson, first check your syllabus for first term. Syllabus for first term is Chapter 1, Numbers up to 10 million. Chapter 2, 4 Operations. Word problems are excluded. Chapter 8, Decimals. Here word problems are also excluded. Chapter 10, Averages. And Chapter 12, Angles. Dear students, as you know, our first chapter is Numbers up to 10 million. This chapter includes the topic number 1, counting to 10 million, number 2, prime numbers, number 3, highest common factor HCF, and number 4, least common multiple LCM. Students, first we will done the recap of chapter numbers up to 10 million as you have already done numbers up to 100,000 in 4 class. Look at this picture. Here the digit 9 is in 1's place, so 9 1 is 9. The digit 3 is in 10th place, so 3 multiplied by 10 is 30. 4 is in 100 place and 400 is 400. 5 in 1000 place, 5000 is 5000. And the digit 2 is in 10,000 place, so 2 multiplied by 10,000 is 20,000. So the complete number is 25,439. This number is 5-digit number, and when we have 5 a 6-digit number, we leave one space between 100 and 1000 digit. Look at the space between 5 and 4. Today our subtopic is counting to 10 million, and here the objectives are count to 10 million, read and write numbers up to 10 million in numerals and words, identify the place value of each digit in a number, that is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million and 10 million. Now we have the introduction of subtopic counting to 10 million. To read and write number in words or numerals, first we know the place values of each digit, that is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million and 10 million. Look at this chart. Here 1 ones is 1 multiplied by 1 1. Look in 1 there is no 0. 1 tens is 10, and in 10 we have 1 0. In 100 we have 2 zeros, and in 1000 we have 3 zeros. 10,000 is 10 multiplied by 1000. In 10,000 we have 4 zeros. 100,000, 100 multiplied by 1000, there are 5 zeros in 100,000. 1 million is actually 1000,000. So 1000 multiplied by 1000 is 1 million, and there are 6 zeros in 1 million. 10 million, 10 multiplied by million is equal to 10 million, and there are 7 zeros in 10 million. Now dear students, to learn more, see example on textbook page 7. Here we are using the number disc to show the numbers. Look here, the last disc represented to million, and there are 7 digits in million. Keep in your mind 7 digits, not zeros, because there are 6 zeros in million. So we will draw 7 boxes and write the place values ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000 and million in these boxes. Count the number of discs and put the correct digit in boxes accordingly. That is, 4 discs are in one's place, so we will put the digit 4 in one's place. 2 in tens place, 7 in 100 place, 9 in 1000, 6 in 10,000, 4 in 100,000 and 5 in million place. We can also use place values card to show the numbers, that is 5, 4, 6, 9, 7, 2, 4. Look at the digit 5. 5 is in million place. So 5, there are 5 millions, 400,000, 6 10,000s, 9,000, 700, 2 tens and 4 ones. 5 millions, we will put 5 and 6 zeros. 400,000, 400 and 1,000. Plus 6 10,000, 6 10 1 0 1,000 3 zeros. So 60,000. 9,000 plus 700 plus 20 plus 4. Now we will combine ones, tens and 100, 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000 and separate the million. 5 million and 4, 6, 9. So it is 469. 469,000 and 724. 724 is 724. So the complete number is 5,469,724. Here we have two spaces because when we have 7-digit number, we leave two spaces. The first space is between 100 and 1,000 digit, and the second space is between million and 100,000 digit. Another example on page 8. Look here, there are no discs in 1 place, 10 place, 100 place and 1,000 place. So we will put 0 in their respective places. And 9 discs in 10,000 place. So we put the digit 9 in 10,000 place. No disc in 100,000 place. So the digit 0 is in 100,000 place. And 1 disc in million place. So the digits are 1, 0, 9, 0, 0, 0, 0. The number is 1,000,910,000. 1 million, in place of million we will put 6 zeros. And 9, 10,000. 9, 10, in place of 10 we will put 1 zero and we will put 3 zeros in place of 1,000. So it is 9, 10,000 is 90,000. To combine the number is 1,090,000. Dear students, while writing the number in numerals, be careful about their spaces, as when we write 4-digit numbers, there is no space. For example, 3,145 and 7,000. These are 4 digits number. Look, here is no space. And when we write 5 or 6-digit number, we leave a space between the 100 and 1,000 digit. For example, 45,460. Here we have 5-digit number and we have one space between 4 and 5, that is between 100 and 1,000 digit. And the next number is 667,900. Here we have also one space because it is 6-digit number, and that space is between the 100 and 1,000 digit. 100 digit is 9 and 1,000 digit is 7, so that space is between 9 and 7. When we write 7-digit number, we leave two spaces. The first space is between the 100 and 1,000 digit, and second space is between the million and 100,000 digit. For example, 3,456,781. Here we have two spaces. The first space is between 7 and 6 digit. 7 represented to the 100 digit and 6 represented to the 1,000 digit. And the second space is between 4 and 3. 4 represented to the 100,000 digit and 3 represented to the million. So here we have two spaces when we write 7-digit number. All this was to read and write numbers in International Number System, and we use spaces to write the numbers in International Number System. Now we will learn how to write the number in Pakistani number system. In Pakistani number system, the place values are ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. Actually, 100,000 is lakh and million is 10 lakh and 10 million is crore. Look at this chart. We combine the first three digits, that is ones, tens and hundred, and then two digits. And in Pakistani number system, we put comma. First comma is between the 100 and 1000 digit, and then after two digits we will put the comma. For example, here the number is 2,37,168. Look here, the first comma is between 1 and 7. The digit 1 represented to the 100 digit and the digit 7 is represented to the 1000. And the second comma is between 3 and 2. The number 3 represented to the 10,000 and the digit 2 represented to the lakh. So while writing in number in Pakistani number system, we use the comma. Hopefully you got all the rules to read and write numbers in international number system and Pakistani number system. Now your task 1 is you have to practice example 8, 9 and 10 in your textbook page 9. Task 2 is textbook pages 11 and 12 question 1 to 6. Task 3 is workbook worksheet number 1 pages 1 to 4. Workbook work will be done in square loose sheets and figures and pictures are not to be drawn. After completing your task 2 and task 3, you have to submit it on AIS. Good luck.